Caleb asked me what
No,
what
I
tire and
didn't.
wheel repair is.
Sir, what is tire and wheel repair?
Great question, Caleb. Let me ask you a question. You ever had a flat tire?
Yep.
What happened?
I backed up, and the next thing I know, I had a nail on my tire, and I was beside
Were you able to fix the tire?
Nope.
You had to replace it?
Yes, sir.
How much did that cost, Caleb?
It's about $1,000.
Okay, not for a tire.
It was.
What kind of tire was
I
that?
had a Jaharja Scat Pack, wide body.
Oh,
big old
okay.
tire.
How painful was that
It
to
was
pay for that
super
tire?
duper painful. I wanted to
Okay.
give it back.
Well, look, I'm sorry that happened, but for the next 6 months, unlimited miles, if you have a flat tire, we'll fix it for absolutely nothing. And if we can't fix it, we'll replace it for absolutely nothing. And we will do that in unlimited number of times. And Caleb, should you hit something in the road big enough and bad enough to break or bend your wheel, which would be another $1,000, we'll take care of that expense as well. We will replace the wheel for you. And again, we'll do that an unlimited number of times. We will repair or replace tires and wheels for you. First 6 months is on us. You want to extend it, and I strongly suggest you do. Check with our finance people. They'll show you how to take it out to 3, 4, even 5 years. Cool?
Cool.